मैडम काइंडली कंफर्म।
सर मैं लाइब्रेरी और इंस्टॉल दोनों करना चाह रही हूँ।
कल की क्लास में आपने इंस्टॉल कर लिया था ना?
यस सर, वो मैंने कर लिया था, लेकिन जब मैं लाइब्रेरी करी तो वो शो नहीं हो रहे मुझे।
नहीं, माशाल्लाह यहाँ पे आप इसको अभी आपने ये लाइव रन कर दिया है ना? आप
सर
ऐसा करें कि इसको स्टॉप करें। क्लिक ऑन स्टॉप बटन। हियर इज स्टॉप बटन। ओके, नो, कम ऑन स्क्रीन नंबर 1। क्लिक ऑन सेशन बटन।
सर सर
रीस्टार्ट आर।
यस।
ओके, नो, which tool you want to do library? For example, you have first is in line number 12. First package is in line number 12, DE62.
यस सर।
Okay, do library. No, 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 not run. It's not a for library. It's for installation. Run code for library in line number 18. First, you need to confirm you have this package or not. So come on screen number 4. Please first confirm from screen number 4. If you don't have, then you need to install DES. You already have this tool. So you don't need to install it again and again.
ओके सर।
Install it once.
ओके
No,
सर।
do library. Do library. Line number 18. Please correct spelling for library. LIB. DE62 and run. It's showing you last message error. Package genome info DB not found. Genome info DB could not be loaded. It means you don't have this function. You don't have this package. There is no package called uh, genome info DB data. So first you need to install this function, install this packages. This package is the dependency for DE62. Maybe it is not available in in rcran, but first find gene. There is no package name genome info. Yes,
यस सर।
this it is not available in rcran repository cran.
यस सर।
It will be available in BIOS manager. So click on cancel and come to line number 19, 19, and type BIOS manager. Select BIOS manager. Select install and add inverted comma. Within inverted comma type, or you may copy from screen number 2 genome info DB data. No, no, not no, no, above second last line. In second last line,
सर ये वाली।
yes, genome info. Yes, here is the name of package. Copy and paste. Yes, no run this line. You need to wait until this red dot disappear.
यस।
Okay. No, type A. It's showing its need update. So type A in screen number 2 and press enter button. In screen number 2, not screen number 1.
So two.
Screen number 2, yes.
So here
Yes, type A.
type A.
Yes, and press
Sir,
enter
enter.
button. Yes, press enter button and wait. Okay, now successfully updated. Okay. Now again do library line number 18. Yes, no, it's working. Okay. So today we will confirm all these packages are in active form or in ready to use.
Then
Okay.
here is write the attaching package biobase. So what is the meaning of that
It's
lines?
mean attaching package. It's mean package is activating from biobase.
Okay.
Biobase means from BIOS manager tool.
Okay, so thank
Okay,
you.
and there is another message. Following object is masked from package matrix generics row medians. So in R, there are some packages are dominant and some are recessive.
Okay,
As
sir.
alleles, some alleles are dominant and some are
Yes, sir.
recessive.
Yes.
When
Yes, sir.
dominant allele present, it will mask the effect of recessive allele. Similarly, in R, when two packages for same purpose are found, maybe one is dominant and another is recessive. So when you activate dominant package, it will mask the uh, uh, working or mask the effect of recessive package. So there is a message following object is masked from the package. So matrix generic is the recessive package. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
while
Okay,
the
sir.
DE62 is a dominant package. It will mask the effect of matrix generic package.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Now next participant is Hamid Khan. Have you cleared about why object are masked from package matrix stat? Okay. If any participant is facing issue, please let me know. Otherwise, I will move to next step. Hassanan, please confirm, are you hearing me? Because your message is, sir, I can't hear you. Okay, Dr. Hilal, please share your screen. Please show me full screen. Maximize your screen. Okay. No, it's showing you moving database to lazydb by complete error lazy loading failed for package ggplot2 removing restore previous user. Okay, download source package or I think Hassanan have no voice. Disconnect and rejoin again. Okay, Dr. Hilal, show me your screen.
Yes, sir.
I think your screen is closed.
No, no, it is. Is it okay now?
No, not visible. Please share again.
Okay, wait a minute. Can you allow me? Actually, it is not happening. I don't know.
My screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. No, share again. I have closed my screen. Yes, show me. R.
My screen is visible, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Clear.
actually, everything is available now, like DSIC, HR, Lima, Limnas. Everything is clear. When I checked from here,
Okay.
everything is clear. But these two, like org.hs .eg and mm.eg.db, these two are not. I don't know why.
Okay, don't worry. Click on line number 45.
Okay, 45.
Type here BIOS manager.
Yes, sir. And
Click on
uninstall.
install, inverted comma,
Yes, sir.
and copy from line number 35 to org.hs.eg.db.
Line number this.
35. Not complete, not complete. Just one package name. Yes. Okay, and run this line. Yes. No, you need to update some other packages also. Type A and press enter.
Yeah, same thing I was doing, but again it will show.
Okay, wait.
See it again.